The 2026 Cadillac CT, the fifth of March Ks, another bold step in Cadillac's luxury evolution. With refined styling, elevated tech, and powerful engine options, this mid-sized sedan blends American elegance with performance-driven engineering designed to challenge Europe's finest sedans while staying true to Cadillac's unique character. Exterior design. The 2026 CT5 boasts a sleek, aggressive stance with sharper lines and a more aerodynamic profile. Its signature vertical LED lighting elements remain, now housed within a redesigned front fascia that gives it a bolder, sportier look. The rear features a subtle spoiler, sculpted tailgate, and stylish LED taillights that tie together the premium yet athletic appearance. Interior. Inside, the CT5 offers a refined cabin packed with premium materials like real wood, aluminum, or carbon fiber accents, depending on the trim. The centerpiece is a wide, curved, 33-inch touchscreen display, combining the digital cluster and infotainment system into one seamless unit. With soft-touch surfaces, upgraded seating, ambient lighting, and an available Bose audio system, the interior feels tech-forward and luxuriously comfortable. Performance. Buyers can choose between a turbocharged 2.0L four-cylinder engine offering smooth daily performance, or a more potent 3.0L twin-turbo V6 that delivers exhilarating acceleration. The CT5V variant ups the ante with a sport-tuned suspension and over 400 horsepower. All trims are paired with a responsive 10-speed automatic transmission, and all-wheel drive is available for extra grip. Safety features. Safety remains a strong focus in the 2026 CT5. Standard features include automatic emergency braking, forward collision warning, lane keep assist, and rear parking sensors. Higher trims add adaptive cruise control, a 360-degree camera system, and Cadillac's semi-autonomous Super Cruise system, which allows hands-free driving on select highways. Market position. The CT5 continues to position itself as a sophisticated, yet performance-ready alternative to rivals like the BMW 5 Series, Audi A6, and Mercedes E-Class. It's aimed at drivers who want luxury and innovation without giving up bold design or an engaging drive, bridging the gap between traditional luxury and modern performance. Outro. With the 2026 CT5, Cadillac proves it's not just keeping up, it's pushing forward. From its aggressive design to its luxurious interior and advanced features, the CT5 delivers a well-rounded, stylish experience for those who want more than just a typical luxury sedan. It's a confident statement in a competitive market.